Well, it's game over. This is the new belt, the new carbon belt that I've got from America. But actually, if you look in to the sprockets, you can actually see how it's. Try to be careful, see if I can focus on that bit. There's that much worn metal from the sprocket that there's actually gaps. And if you listen, in places the belt is just continually jumping. Sometimes it runs smooth, but other times I think it's where it's exiting the socket. But if you have a look, you can see the gaps on either side. That's how worn the sprockets are. So game over for me. I think I've got to now take this into the shop and get replacement sockets as well. And the problem is, I could have a go at it, but apart from this is a roll-off 500/14 hub, and I think it's a specialist tool job to actually get that sprocket off and get a new one on. So I'm going to go have a word with Cycle Heaven in York this afternoon and see what they can do to help us. You never know, there might be a part 3 to this, but part 2, never mind.